If a student's looking for a career where they want to live their values, so they're looking for perhaps feeding the planet, making the planet's environment better, and making a good living while they do that every day, then they perhaps need to talk to the Department of Agriculture at Southeast Missouri State University. One of the things that the Department of Agriculture does at Southeast Missouri State University that's different than all of the other universities is that we understand that if you're going to feed the world or help improve the environment, you need to have money, you need to have financing to make that work. So all of our majors are integrated into an agribusiness core. We have, for example, agribusiness animal science. So it's not just a bachelor's degree in animal science, it's agribusiness and animal science married together. So it's kind of like a dual major always. So right now and in the near future, there's about 60,000 jobs a year that require a bachelor's degree in some area of agriculture every year. All of the universities across the country graduate about 35,000 a year. So there's nearly 2 jobs available for every graduate in agriculture at this time. So naturally that's doing 2 things. It's raising the competition for the available talent pool. That's raising the pay scales as well. So you can get a really good paying job right now and you have your choice of multiple jobs when you do graduate. Our department generally has about 98% job placement, and a large percentage of that, I'd say close to 90%, have that job signed before they graduate. One of the things about Southeast, we tend to live our values, and that's true not just agriculture as a specialty, but the faculty members and the staff that are here as well. We tend to live our values. So, if I was inviting students, I would simply say, come join the family, because it really is much like that.